Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassidy Faye, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. So it is 2 a.m. That's crazy, but I was kind of inspired tonight and a little bored at the same time, and I was like, I'm just gonna play around with my makeup, and I was like, why don't I film it? So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I did this, then keep watching. So as you guys know, I like to start off by setting my face with a concealer and powder. So I've already done that with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan and my LA Colors setting powder in medium translucent. So I'm going over that with the Tarte foundation in the color Deep Neutral. This time I decided to contour my nose with powder. I got this technique from Nikki Tutorials where I used my finishing powder to create the shadow, and through the middle I used my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and along the outside I used my black radiance setting powder just to further define the contour. It was so much easier, and honestly, if you have trouble using contour sticks or concealers, try a powder. I put my finishing powder above my cheekbones to give the appearance of higher cheekbones. I'm taking my Icon Pro Sahara Sunset palette by Absolute New York, and I'm using a dark brown color on the outer part of my eyelid, and I'm also bringing that into the crease. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal and shading in my eyelid and winging it out some just to further define the sharpness of the line that I've created with the tape. And this doesn't have to be neat, we just want to create a base for the eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm going to take this color right here to fill in where I put the concealer. So I think I'm going to take this color. It's almost white, but it's not. It's like an off-white color. And we're going to see what that does for us. So I want my inner corners to stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to take my Sedona lace palette and a wet Q-tip and use this color here. You can't even tell, but it's like a champagne color. I'm going to use this brown color and put it here. I'm going to take this color again and put it in the middle right here. So I'm going to do some winged eyeliner. So I'm going to take my black radiance and wing it out. I'm going to put some lashes on and I will be back. So I'm going to define my brows one more time because all that eyeshadow made them disappear. Seriously. I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes now. I'm going to take this brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply, and I am not sure what it's called because I've shaved it all the way down to the bottom, so I'm sorry. It's just a brown lip color though, so whatever brown shade looks good on your lips should work. I'm going to take this hazelnut tea by Mercier and see if it'll blend into here a little. Why I'm wearing blue right now, I can't even tell you, I have no clue. I'm gonna bring forth my beauty marks with this eyeliner pencil. I made this way too big, like so big. I'm not gonna do that one even though I have one up here just because I don't want it to mess up my makeup. But I gotta get rid of this, that's crazy. I decided to change shirts because the blue just didn't look right with this makeup look, so I was like, I'm gonna change. But I'm trying to open this palette because I'm gonna highlight and then I'll be done. We're gonna use this handy dandy color that I used in my last video. If you haven't seen it, then watch that. So if you're observant, you probably realized I was missing an earring the entire video. I'm so disappointed in you guys for not telling me. Here are the bloopers. I'm going to do my makeup, so I've already... We're gonna go with... Cut. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.